Lee.
Hi, Tracy. How are you?
Fine. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. Got an email from you about a project you have going on in the back?
Yeah, my backyard right now is a blank slate.
Okay.
I travel quite a bit, and I
All right.
haven't had a chance to do anything back there.
Okay.
So I'm looking for something low maintenance and to fill it in, make it
All
look
right.
better.
Great. Let's go take a look at it. See what we got. Okay?
So here is my
Okay.
lovely yard. It's nothing here. The soil doesn't look great, and I don't know what to do with it. It's rather daunting.
You definitely could have a nice garden here, but the conditions aren't really right now, so we'll work on those.
I would like that
Okay.
because it's, you know, it's cozy
Yeah.
back here, or
Sure.
it could be if we had some plants.
Sure. A lot of stones. Somebody looks like somebody used the pea stone for like a mulch.
That's what it was when I
Yeah.
moved in here. There
Okay.
was white pea stone everywhere,
All
and
right.
tried to rake up as much as I could, but every time
Sure.
it rains, it comes back
Just
to the
comes back in.
surface.
Okay. Also, we have an issue with the pH. So we got some moss growing in here.
Is that what happens with the pH level?
Exactly. So what I want to do is like amend the soil, and it will help the plants that we want to put in.
All right, so
okay?
that fixes the pH
Yes,
level.
that should. And it also looks like we have a little heat, issue probably. So
It does. It gets really warm here, particularly until like mid part of the afternoon.
okay, great. So I'd like to introduce drip irrigation in here.
Okay.
I think will work really well. Okay.
All right.
And that goes down, and we'll put them around all the plants, and that will water the plants. So it'll be good.
All right. So if we can fix it all up, then we
Sure.
can have a nice garden back here.
It'll work.
All right.
All right.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's go. So let's do some raking. Let's get these stones up the best we can.
All right. They make such a mess.
And we're not going to get them all, but we'll get a good percentage. We'll just put them in small piles.
Look at that.
Not
Looking
bad.
good.
Yeah, not bad. Now we're going to till the soil. So that's yours there.
All right.
Okay. I'll start this one. Good.
Yep.
All I want to do is go back and forth, nice and slow. Let the machine do the work. Just like that. This will allow us to add fertilizer and it will help that pH level and restore the soil quality. We rototilled the soil, so it's got some oxygen in there. It's nice and fluffy right now. But let's add compost in.
Okay.
Okay. This will help the plants take off and survive. They love this. It's all organic, so beneficial to the flower beds. So now I want to put some organic fertilizer. It'll help the roots get going.
Great.
And what I want to do now, we'll rototill this in. And I'm just going to do a light one. We went down nice and deep before. I just want to get a nice mix. Soil is all amended and ready to go. So I picked out some plants. We did some boxwoods, hide the foundation, evergreen all year round.
I like that.
All right, and then I went with some hydrangeas. This is an Annabelle hydrangea here. And then this one over here is a lace cap hydrangea. Nice burgundy color,
Okay.
leaf in the fall, real
I
pretty.
love hydrangea.
Yep, and then we did some sedums down below for fall color.
Nice.
Cap mint,
Okay.
pollinator, all the bug,
Oh, okay.
all the plants, all
Yeah,
there.
I'm not familiar with that plant.
Yeah.
So pollinator for bees and butterflies. and-
Correct.
Great.
They love it. And then I topped it off with some black eye Susans for like that summer color.
Nice.
Okay, I think we're good.
It looks great.
Thank you. I'm gonna hold you that for a
All right.
second. Thank you.
Got this one?
Let's try to get these plants in the ground, and then we can add our irrigation. What I like to do is, see how it's all root bound?
Yes.
Okay. So you just want to break it up a little bit. So put it in the ground.
And how high up do you put it?
I like to put it down level with the flower bed that we have.
Okay.
Okay, keep it right at the same level. So, I'd like to plant a hole a little bit bigger than the pot.
Makes sense. They look great.
I asked a good friend of mine, Mark, to come by. They're going to put the irrigation line in the ground, and what they use is a ditch digger, so we don't have to dig up a trench. It does a nice clean job. So now what we're going to do is temporarily remove a piece of the bluestone so we can get the line underneath the walkway. Then they can run the lines around the plants as usual. So drip irrigation's been put in, so I think we're ready for mulching. I love to use this leaf mulch.
How is that different from other mulches?
Well, other mulches are more like wood chippy and they're kind of like dye and stuff like that they put on them. This is all organic. It breaks down beautifully.
Yeah, it looks really nice and a lot of moisture, it seems like.
Correct. And it'll hold the water. So what I want to do is probably put like 2 inches down.
Okay. Wow, look at it.
What do you think?
Oh, it looks amazing.
Not too bad.
I cannot believe the difference from this morning till now. Looks great.
So I need you to do me a favor. I need you to water every day for about 10 days, okay?
Okay.
All right, about 25 minutes each time we're watering.
All right.
Okay?
And the irrigation system will be set up to do it that way.
Correct.
Okay,
all right.
Great.
All right.
Great for me.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you
Nice
so
to meet you.
much.
We'll see you
nice
soon.
to meet you too,
Take care.
Lee. Take
All right.
care.
Bye-bye.
This is incredible.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.